one.
That's first. This is first. This is what I'm going to first. This is all clean on my bed. It may look like it's dirty, but this is all clean. No, that's just all my bags. But these are all clean. That's all my clean laundry.
Okay.
This is Beth Ann's room,
They're insane.
and I'm trying not to fall or trip or do a nosedive.
Hey, but look, my bed's made.
Oh, this is your bed?
Yeah,
This is my bed.
Oh, where is,
she's gone.
she left already?
Yeah.
So this is what your stuff in here?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
This is not bad. The beds are down, both of them. There's nothing under the beds for the most part.
And they already picked up, right?
Picked up what?
The boxes.
Yeah, they already picked up the box.
Now, what do you want with these clean clothes, by the way? You take these home with you or what?
Yeah, they were. This is me drinking the coffee that's keeping me awake. Did you get that?
And what do you have to say for yourself?
I said this is me drinking the coffee that I need to keep awake.
Okay, give Miss a hug.
Oh, mwah, mwah, mwah. Are you gonna bring that out to dinner tonight too?